Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm over at 43096 Bear Creek Court, the condo over in Bear Meadows Estates. So I'm going to walk you out at the street, but you are gonna love this kind of a 3-bedroom condo over in Moonridge. Okay, so here we are at 43096 Bear Creek Court. Court because you are on a court. And one great thing about this complex is that you are on the golf course. So just right here is the green for the golf course. And then where you can see those cars moving on the other side of the road back there, that is Moonridge Road. So this sidewalk right here is where the golf carts are going to go. This is the trash for just this court. So on their HOA, they do have trash removal. And then I'm just gonna walk you to the end of the street really quick, just to kind of see a little bit more of the rest of the complex. They do have a room, like a game room, and then also a spa area too for the people inside the complex. The roofs look newer. And then here we are at the stop sign. So going this way is going to be a dead end. Going this way is the clubhouse right here and the spa. And then going out to Moonridge Road. The complex also goes a little bit further around this way. So you do have a couple full-time owners around here. You also have mostly vacation rentals, and then some that are just a second home for people. This one right next door is also a vacation rental, as well as the current one that we have listed. So one thing to note is that this parking spot where my car is just kind of like a first come, first serve, and they have a couple of those different areas within the complex. Cannot park sideways like this, but you can park in the garage too. So, covered entry. One thing to note, you don't have to shovel snow if you're walking in when there's snowy days. So we've got a max occupancy of 7, and then we've got 2 cars. So here we are at the entry. I'm just going to kind of describe all the different areas that you could go from here. So right to the left, we're going to have laundry room and a makeshift 3rd bedroom. Then we're going to have 2 masters. This is going to be an owner closet that's locked right now. We could go upstairs or we could go into the garage. So we're just going to stay left and just enjoy the home going this direction first. So one thing to note is that you've got like a very extra wide flooring, laminate flooring. So one thing to note is that this used to just be a closet. That was the laundry room, but they did something really smart and moved this to be a washer dryer area and made it a closet, and then turned this into a bedroom, just so, you know, little kids' bedroom area. They don't have a door on there, so they just have these curtains. So perfect just for kids, you know. Here we have the furnace and the water heater. Both, you know, look fairly new-ish. Definitely not on their last leg, that's for sure. Double strapped, so we're fine there. But just a nice clean utility closet. And then here we have the what do you call these things? This is a washer dryer combo. So kind of nice to have that, because then you can still have other stuff in your laundry area. Then we're going to go into this room. I mean, it's the size of a laundry room. You can see where it was the laundry room, but it fits this bed perfectly. And for kids, my kids would love it. Like, it is just enough, being that is just an extra space for kids to be able to sleep. So next, we're gonna go into the first master. So it's got a door, can close off. So each one has their own bathroom. I'm gonna go back really quick. So they are an exact replica of each other: bathroom, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. So same flooring all throughout the downstairs too. Nice, clean, white. And then I like the color that they used on this too. We've got a cast iron, cast iron tub and white tile. Just basically everything you would need for a rental property bathroom. Very cute signs all throughout. It's almost like it's a piece of flooring with this piece cut out. That's really interesting. We also do have central heating in the home. And so it's kind of nice that each one has their own bathroom. So here we have I'm gonna call this one the master because the other one is bunk beds too. So this is I think it's a king bed. Really hard to tell, but it looks like a king bed. We've got a TV, dresser, and this one has been really hard to get into because it's typically rented all the time. So really nice that I was able to come by and showcase it on a weekend. So here's our closet space. We got a his and a her side. I think there's probably a handful of people that live inside this complex, and it's really nice because they do the snow plowing for you. They do the trash for you. All of the exterior maintenance, you're not doing any of that. So here we have the deck, the downstairs deck. So they've just got some chairs out here. You can kind of see the golf course right here. Other units. They're all the same tasteful taupe and green color. And they're very quiet today too. I think I just saw just a couple cars in the complex. A couple guys that were going skiing for the last day at Bear Mountain too. And it started to snow too. So here's a little cool fact. There's the dam. This is Big Bear Lake, and it shows all the different roads in Big Bear Lake. But then it also shows the depth of Big Bear Lake. So the largest depth is right in the center of the lake at 53. That is about how far I have gone to go scuba diving before. So here we are, bathroom number 2. And we've got that same green lower cabinet, white tile, same flooring, same tub, super clean. And then here we've got their closet. Same style, you got the left side, right side. And then this is the other bunk room. So you've got a queen over a queen on this bunk set. Dresser, TV, and a desk. It's a nice and cozy room. And then what we're going to find is the same exact thing on the outside. Covered deck, snow play area right out back, views of the golf course, and decking. Okay, so next this is an owner's closet. There is no access to this. They lock this off for their own stuff. I like that they did this panel wall right here. Just makes it really like a cute ski snowboard area right here. And then we will go into the garage. So a little dark, but you do have an attic space right here that you can pull down. I do see that they have some stuff up there, but just, you know, big enough to fit 1 car, good. It is drywalled off and super clean. Now we will go upstairs, and they've got the same flooring, bullnose edges. And you can notice that when we're going up, we've got vaulted ceilings. Just really pretty, nice skylights. So here we just have a closet space and then a half bath. I like the knobs on these. Some white tile. And then we will go into the living room. So from here we can go over to the kitchen, dining room, and the living area space. So I'll focus over here first. Here's the living room area, kind of opens to that downstairs area. Beautiful big mirror, but very cozy couch. Really good area just for kind of hanging out, being warm on a winter day. So this is the fireplace. They have a note here that you're not allowed to put wood in the fireplace or you will be fined. So this is just a gas burning fireplace. So you're just going to burn the gas with the fake firewood on there. So we'll still put off a little bit of heat, but you could also convert that if you wanted to just have a real fireplace too. But pebble rock all around the fireplace too. We've got our TV. And let me pan this way. So just like every great rental property, it's great to have a pool table. It's also great to have a spa. Those are the top 2 amenities that are in these homes, or in a lot of the homes up in Big Bear. Just give people something to do. And we've got a large table because remember they seat 7 people. So you can easily fit 7 people at this table. Maybe even get a chair at the edges too. Beautiful black and white photos of Snow Summit too. Actually, I don't think that one on the right is Snow Summit, but ski photos, let's just call it that. And we have 2 bar stools at the counter, probably about the max that you could get right there. But clean white tile. I like the light blue color that they've used on this. And then recessed lighting. They did that update. And then we're gonna overlook the parking area down below. And if this place wasn't here, you might be able to get a ski slope view. So here we are, we've got dishwasher, which is somewhat rare in here. It's everything that you would need for vacation rental. Kitchen, tons of plates. And then microwave, oven, and fridge. Lots of cabinet space. So you can see how it would be very easy to live here full time. You've got pretty much everything you would need: a garage, a washer dryer, beds, bathrooms, you know, close to town, those kind of things. So here we're gonna go outside. on this upper deck. We've got some nice views of some houses up there. Outdoor grill. Can maybe watch some people play golf from here a little bit. So that is it. 43096 Bear Creek. This one, again, 2-bedroom, kind of a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Just listed for $565,000. Vacation rental that does very well. I've been seeing the numbers and they've been producing, but you could essentially, I would imagine, be able to make 50, 60 on a good year, 70 plus on it in vacation rental income, just based off the history that I have seen before. So that is the home. Let me know if you would like to take a look, and I would love to show you around. Talk to you soon. Bye.